More businesses are opting for virtual operations than ever before. And if you think about it, the benefits are numerous. Reduced overhead costs, flexibility in operations, and access to a global market. But where can these businesses set up shop online? Before we answer that important question, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. First, let's talk about e-commerce platforms. Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce have become the staples for businesses looking to sell online. With over 2 million merchants on Shopify alone as of 2021, the allure of these platforms is evident. Then we have service-based platforms. Think about consulting or coaching businesses. Sites like Thinkific, Teachable, and Kajabi are not just for course creators. They are also used by businesses offering services, workshops, and webinars. A survey in 2021 found that over 40% of businesses have increased their use of online platforms for service delivery, and it's not hard to see why. For businesses offering unique handmade products or crafts, Etsy stands as a preferred choice. As of 2021, over 4 million sellers found their niche on this platform. But what about businesses just looking for a professional space to showcase their brand without necessarily selling anything? Platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress offer customizable website templates. These aren't just for bloggers or writers. In fact, 64% of small businesses have a website, and these platforms cater to a sizable portion of them. And for those who are keen on connecting and networking, LinkedIn is more than a resume space. It's a platform for business professionals to share knowledge, showcase their brand, and even find potential clients. Let's not forget about freelancers, professionals who offer their expertise on a per-project basis. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr have seen a significant influx of businesses hiring professionals for short-term projects. These platforms have made it possible for businesses to operate without a physical team, hiring expertise when required. If you need more information about how to operate your business without a physical presence, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the websites mentioned in this video? Has your business used any of them before? Drop a comment now and let us know. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.